In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a welcome channel on Discord. So the first thing we need to do is come over to the left hand side and go and click on your server. Now scroll down to text channels and click on the plus icon to create a new channel. You can then go and give your channel a name. I'm just going to call this welcome. You can then scroll down and click on create channel. Now click on the drop down arrow next to your server name and click on server settings. In the left hand side, scroll down and click on app directory and then go and use this search box to search for Dyno and press enter. Now you need to click on this top one here, which is a Dyno extension. Click on add app and then press visit site. Now scroll right down to the bottom of this page, click on the drop down arrow next to server and then go and select your server. Click on continue, then scroll down to the bottom and press authorize. You could then close out of this message. Now head back over to your internet browser and you should have this Dyno setup page on your screen. You can just quickly go through the steps here to set up your account. Now once you're on this page, you need to use the search box and go and search for welcome. You can then toggle on welcome and then we can press settings. Click on the drop down arrow next to select channel and this is where you need to go and select your welcome channel that we created at the start of this video. You can then click on message and you can go and create your own custom welcome message for when people join this channel. And if you scroll down, you have all of these different variables and you can basically use these commands to go and personalize your greeting message. Now once you've done this, just press update. So here I am on Discord on my other account and you can see that now when someone joins this welcome server, this welcome message will be sent to them. So it's as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.